So given your expanded role and responsibility, I'm going to ask a question based on the fact that much has been made of the point made by the Justice Minister that the ECJ is taking on all these things without the need for additional budgetary allocation. How is it that you're carrying out these functions, playing an expanded role without the need for greater budgetary support?
Let me say that the ECJ has informed the public, of course, that it has been carrying out this function within the allocations that were given to it as a commission, and that there had been no additional budgetary allocation. So far, the powers that be, they have designated a budget to the unit, and that would have gone into setting up functions that we spent a great deal of time trying to establish before it is that we would have come to the public. So planned currently is an expanded public education campaign. We are having greater interfaces with the public, and there has been a system of receiving and processing complaints. Some are more publicized than others, of course, but the work has begun since a year, and it continues. It is no visibility. It has become a priority currently for the commission and this office.
Right. So that last point that you made as I go to the break, just to reinforce what Lafron has said, because again, many people are saying the fact of no additional budgetary space being given to the ECJ meant that in reality, the Office of the Political Ombudsman inside the ECJ would have been constricted